Hello everyone! In this lesson, we will talk about what plants need for them to grow and stay healthy. And here is our objective, to discuss the kinds of plants that grow in many places. Before we talk about the places where plants can grow, let's talk about what plants need. It needs water and sunlight to produce its own food. It also needs nutrients from the soil. Plants need air and space for them to be able to grow. Now let's talk about the parts of the plant and their functions. The first one is the roots. The roots are the one that take in water and nutrients from the soil. Then the stem is the one that moves water and nutrients and takes it to the leaves. And the leaves are the one that take in air and sunlight, and it is using those to make their own food. Now let's talk about the plants that can grow in places with many climates. There are many climates or patterns of weather in North America. While one area is sunny and warm most of the year, another area can be cold and snowy. But wherever they live, plants need to be able to grow and stay healthy, isn't it? Now let's look at the areas at North America that have different climates and plants. The first one is tundra. Tundra is in northern Canada and Alaska. It has short, cool summers and long, cold winters. The tundra has strong winds and very little rain. Not many plants grow in tundra. Those that do, they mostly grow together and low to the ground to protect themselves from cold, such as moss and shrubs. The next one is the desert. The desert has dry climates. The temperatures there can go from hot to cold in one day. There are also dry winds in the late winter and early spring. In this desert, low shrubs grow far apart. Some cactus plant there have waxy coating that keep water in that help them survive dry hot weather. They take in as much water as they can when it rains. And the last one is the wetlands. Summer in the wetlands are very hot and humid with a lot of rain. Much of the wetlands are covered with swamps. In the wetland, plants live in very wet soil most of the year. This is a desert. A desert is a large area of land, usually in a hot region where there is almost no water, rain, trees, or plants. Qatar is an example of a desert country. These are the plants that are commonly found in the desert. Tundra. It is a vast, flat, treeless Arctic region of Europe, Asia, and North America, which we discussed a while ago, in which the subsoil is permanently frozen. The alpine tundra is like the Arctic tundra. It is very cold and windy. The difference between the two tundra is why each is cold. The alpine tundra is cold because it is so high above Earth's surface. Very few trees grow in the alpine while none are found in Arctic. Dwarf trees and the tussock grasses are found in the alpine tundra. Wetlands are areas where water covers the soil or is present either at or near the surface of the soil all year or for varying periods of time during the year. Here are some of the plants that are found in the wetlands. Plant technology.
If nutrients are added to the plant's water, the plants don't need soil. Growing plants without soil is called hydroponics. Plants grown hydroponically are very healthful and can produce a lot of fruit.
Now, based on the video that you just watched, how do plants live without soil? Do they take in nutrients from water? They take in nutrients from gravel? Or they do not need nutrients? If your answer is the first one, you're right. They take in nutrients from water. That's all for today. Good job, everyone.